Hello and welcome to another joyful tune-in. Today, let's share about indecision or procrastination. So we ask the question, how is it that you move into that space of indecision and procrastination regarding taking your next steps in life, be they financial, be they in relationships, be they in business, be they really in any endeavor, whether it's a move, whether it's a change. What is holding you back from clarity? What is stopping you from moving forward and going for it? Remember that indecision and procrastination are based on your history. Reflecting about all those times where you procrastinated when you could have moved forward, maybe you missed an opportunity. Sitting on the fence because you're unwilling to be vulnerable and to take the leap forward because of what others might think and feel about that. So how about if we reimagine that you had no considerations about what others would say or feel or think about what you do in your life and the decisions and the moves that you make, be they physical level, emotional level, mental level, spiritual level. So let's tune in for a moment into the solar plexus. Take a deep breath and relax, stay grounded with the earth. And imagine that you are connecting now with an experience where you're stuck in indecision and procrastination. And let's move that energy upwards towards the heart and upwards towards the third eye and the crown so that you can re-envision your perspective on this so that you can get a higher comprehensive understanding of what that lesson is about. And choosing now from the highest place in your being, your true self, to make a choice now to move forward no matter what, and to not care about what others may think about this, so that you can feel 100% confident, secure, and joyful in that choice, in that decision of moving forward. So give yourself the opportunity now to take a leap of faith into the unknown, which is basically your future possibilities. Imagine that. So take a deep breath and allow those energies to keep moving upwards towards the crown. And just let it be. Let it be, let it be. Take another deep breath, stay in the now moment. And when you come back to conscious awareness on this physical plane, know that you have created a shift in consciousness and are letting go and releasing the need to procrastinate and, how shall we say, indecision. You're getting off the fence symbolically, taking that great leap into the unknown with God's blessings, love, and support. So thank you for tuning in. Until next time, many, many blessings.